When sunlight reaches Earth, it comes in the form of energy. This energy warms the planet. Some of the sunlight gets absorbed by the Earth's surface and some get reflected back into space. The absorbed energy heats the surface and in turn, the Earth emits this energy back as infrared radiation. However, not all this infrared radiation escapes into space. The Earth's atmosphere contains gases that absorb and re-emit this radiation. These gases act like a blanket, trapping heat and keeping the planet warm. This process is known as the greenhouse effect. Without it, Earth would be too cold for life as we know it. The greenhouse effect is natural and necessary for life. But when this effect becomes stronger, it leads to global warming. This happens when more heat is trapped due to increased greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases are crucial in maintaining Earth's temperature. They trap heat, preventing it from escaping into space. The main greenhouse gases include carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and water vapor. These gases absorb infrared radiation and re-emit it in all directions, warming the Earth's surface and lower atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is the most significant greenhouse gas. It is released through natural processes like respiration and volcanic eruptions. However, human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation have significantly increased carbon dioxide levels. Methane is another powerful greenhouse gas. It is produced by livestock digestion, rice paddies, and landfills. Water vapor is the most abundant greenhouse gas. It increases as the Earth's atmosphere warms but does not directly contribute to warming. Instead, it acts as a feedback mechanism that amplifies the warming effect of other greenhouse gases. Together, these gases create a balanced climate suitable for life. Human activities have greatly increased the concentration of greenhouse gases. Industrial activities such as burning coal, oil, and natural gas are major sources of carbon dioxide emissions. Factories, power plants, and vehicles release large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Deforestation also plays a significant role. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, so cutting them down reduces the Earth's capacity to regulate carbon dioxide levels. Agriculture contributes to greenhouse gas emissions too. Livestock produce methane during digestion, and rice paddies emit methane as well. The use of synthetic fertilizers in farming releases nitrous oxide into the atmosphere. Additionally, landfills produce methane as organic waste decomposes. Transportation also adds to greenhouse gas emissions. Cars, trucks, airplanes, and ships burn fossil fuels, releasing carbon dioxide and other pollutants. Urbanization increases energy demand, leading to higher emissions. Collectively, these activities have amplified the greenhouse effect, causing the Earth's temperature to rise. Global warming has far-reaching impacts on the planet. One of the most visible effects is the melting of glaciers and polar ice caps. As global temperatures rise, ice melts at unprecedented rates, leading to rising sea levels. This threatens coastal communities and can lead to more frequent and severe flooding. Extreme weather events are another consequence of global warming. Hurricanes, heat waves, droughts, and heavy rainfall are becoming more common and intense. These events disrupt ecosystems, agriculture, and human settlements. They can lead to loss of life, property damage, and economic hardships. Global warming also affects biodiversity. As temperatures change, many species struggle to adapt. Some face habitat loss, while others may become extinct. Changes in climate patterns affect food and water availability, leading to conflicts and displacement of human populations. The impacts of global warming are profound and demand urgent action. Types of greenhouse gases and their roles. Different greenhouse gases have varied roles and impacts. CO2 is the primary gas responsible for the greenhouse effect. Methane traps more heat than CO2 but is less abundant. Nitrous oxide is another potent greenhouse gas. Fluorinated gases have a high global warming potential. Understanding these gases is essential for reducing emissions. Section 6. Solutions to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions is crucial for mitigating global warming. Transitioning to renewable energy sources is a key solution. Solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal energy produce little to no greenhouse gases. Investing in these technologies can significantly lower emissions from power generation. Improving energy efficiency in buildings, transportation, and industry is another important step. Using energy-efficient appliances, insulating homes, and adopting fuel-efficient vehicles can reduce energy consumption. Promoting public transportation, cycling, and walking can also lower emissions from the transportation sector. Reforestation and afforestation can help absorb CO2 from the atmosphere. Planting trees and restoring forests increase the Earth's capacity to sequester carbon. Additionally, sustainable agricultural practices such as reducing fertilizer use and managing livestock emissions can lower greenhouse gas emissions from farming. Section 7. Individual actions and global efforts. Individuals can play a significant role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Simple actions like using energy-efficient lights, reducing waste, and conserving water can make a difference. Choosing sustainable transportation options such as biking, walking, or using public transit helps lower personal carbon footprints. Supporting policies and initiatives that promote renewable energy and sustainability is also important. Voting for leaders who prioritize climate action and advocating for environmental regulations can drive systemic change. Educating others about the importance of reducing greenhouse gas emissions can create a ripple effect. Global efforts are essential for addressing climate change. International agreements like the Paris Accord aim to limit global temperature rise and reduce emissions. Collaboration between countries, businesses, and organizations is necessary to develop and implement effective climate strategies. Both individual and collective actions are vital for a sustainable future. Section 8. A hopeful call to action. The urgency of addressing climate change cannot be overstated. However, there is hope. By embracing renewable energy and sustainable practices, we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Every action counts. Individuals, communities, and nations must work together. The challenges are significant, but the potential for positive change is immense. It is our responsibility to act now for future generations. Let us act with urgency and hope, knowing that together we can make a difference. Like the video and comment down your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to Science Factopedia for more awesome and interesting content. And as always, thanks for watching.